Mabuhay! Konnichiwa! We are MonicaYum! Today, Monica is not here. She worked. Then today, she extended her working time. So maybe I guess she's very tired. So I decided to cook for her. I will cook today karaage. Yay! Karaage. So from now I will prepare. So after she go back, she can eat. That's it. So I wish she will like it. But actually, karaage, that's my favorite food to cook. So maybe she will be glad, I guess. So I will record it. I will introduce ingredients for karaage. So first, chicken. Yeah, chicken and Philippine soy sauce. This is mas matamis than Japanese soy sauce kasi I like this to use. And salt and pepper and cooking sake alcohol and garlic and ginger. We have tube like this, but if you don't have tube, you can make it. Flour and starch. I will mix this and mayonnaise. That's it. So let's start. Okay, let's start. Let's start cooking. First, I will use this plastic bag with a zipper. And I put this inside. And scoop. I will use. So this is 400 grams. We will put some salt, sake, and this is garlic, this is ginger. And we'll put pepper, salt and pepper. And after that, we'll mix to make it absorb taste like this. Ara! Okay. Wow! Okay. I'm cooking karaage.
Wow!
Okay,
hungry. Gutom.
Wait. I'm cooking kasi na. After that, we'll put mayonnaise. This is secret of taste. After that, I will close the zipper. We'll mix. Like this. Then you should put this inside leaf for minimum 15 minutes. But I like this to absorb thick face. What? Taste, not thick face. Thick taste. So I will put this for 1 hour. Oh. So let's see.
1 hour later.
So now it took 1 hour. I put this. So I will start to frying. So before, first you will do this is flour and starch. This is starch. And this is flour. You should mix this so more crunchy. Oh my more masarap. So 170 degrees. 170 degrees.
Tango!
Mango? First 170 degrees. And second, you should do 190 degrees. So first, we'll get some oil. Only like this. You will get one time. So if you will get one time, then we'll make it higher. And you will fry again. This will be more crunchy. Crunchy and the inside is fluffy. That is how you will do. Next, I will make it 190 degrees. Hima, 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 hima. I'm just waiting for 190 degrees.
A few moments later.
Now became 190 degrees. So I will put again this. Okay. Wow. Until this will be maganda brown, you will fry.
Oh, yes.
Yes! Tapos na siya magluto! Ang sarap. Tawag nila dito is karage. Ito itong manok. Yes.
Okay. So let's see.
Yes, let's eat.
Itadakimasu.
Absolutely perfect!
As always.
Wow!
Sarap ng karage. Mas masarap to kung may mayonnaise!
Oh, yes.
Mas masarap to kapag may baka naman, Coca-Cola. Baka naman.
What is it?
Asking Coca-Cola to be our
I cook this for you because you work hard today.
Ah, thank you.
Extend it. So you can try my recipe also. It's masarap. So we will introduce about international couple and life in Japan. Life in Japan and traveling in this channel.
Yes. So,
See you
next
next time.
time.
Goodbye.
bye-bye.
Subscribe.
Ooh. Same time. Ah!
Subscribe.
MonicaYum!